Hey guys, Matt here. And in today's video, I am trying the, I don't know what this is actually called. It's like a zucchini type pepper. And I'm also trying the really small ones, which I think they're the chili peppers. And these, I have no idea how spicy these are. So there's only one way to find out. Alrighty, this is what this one looks like, as you can see. Oh, let me see if I can get one that's slightly better. These both look weird, so I'm just eating this one. And bucket on standby. And yeah. These have no taste. These are zucchinis. Mmm. It's a pleasant surprise. Mmm. Yeah, that's not bad. It's a pleasant surprise. Not a fan of them, but they're definitely better than some of the other stuff I've tried. Alright, next thing I'm trying is the moment I've been waiting for, we've all been waiting for, is the hell pepper. I mean, shoot, I lost it. Anyways, these things. The chili peppers. Alrighty, here goes nothing. Yuck! That's spicy. Oh my god. Oh my god, my mouth is on fire. Oh my god. I couldn't even eat it. Ugh. Ooh-wee. Yeah, this is definitely worse than the other peppers I've eaten. And it feels like a bunch of little needles. Yeah, this is bad. I need some milk. And my trusted crewman's giving me milk. Oh my god. And, oh my god, this is horrible. Alright, the best way I can describe the pain is like the jalapeno on steroids. Whew! Feels like a bunch of little ants are biting the bottom of my tongue. Oh, that's bad. That's really bad. Oh, ow, ow. Dang. Dang, that hurts. Excuse me. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and share this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk to you then.